two, three, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
This morning we're at the Fairfax County Government Center for a wonderful children and family event, Because It's All Good, a concert with Eric Litwin. Eric Litwin is the New York Times best-selling author of the Pete the Cat series, which is a family and library favorite. Many of our librarians use his stories in our story time, so our families are very familiar with him, and I thought it would be a great idea to bring him into the community so they could have an engaging event with him.
Early childhood literacy is the foundation for everything else that will follow. Events like these help our children get excited about books, and since we're competing with iPads and iPhones, that is more important than ever. I love presenting in front of a live audience. I love being able to reach the children, the parents, teachers, and librarians, and it gives me a chance to model how to read in a way that's interactive and as fun as it can possibly be. The more we read with our children, the better. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, reading together, read out louds, is necessary for our children to develop their full cognitive, social, emotional, and language potential. So the more we do it, the more time we spend together around books and language, the more they are learning. After the pandemic, we are all looking for ways to increase joy in our families, and reading together is one of the best ways to do that.
So organizing events like this concert and other author events brings me such joy because I'm providing our customers with an opportunity to engage with their favorite authors, to get to have that one-on-one experience, to ask them questions that they always wanted to ask after reading these books over and over again. And for me, just as a fan, it's exciting to meet these authors and just engage with them on a personal level. So if you want to attend events like our Eric Litwin Because It's All Good concert or some of our wonderful author events that go on throughout the year, you can visit the Fairfax County Public Library website.